Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock it and confirm network access so change is saved to cloud. Open Settings and search for Do Not Disturb or Focus. This gets you to the right menu fast. Make sure you know which channels to silence, calls, texts, and specific apps, because that determines later toggles. Once done, tap into the Do Not Disturb entry to begin configuring schedules and allowed interruptions. This first action drives everything that follows. You now configure rules. Create a schedule or enable manual activation depending on your routine. Choose start and end times so Do Not Disturb turns on automatically. This prevents forgetting to enable it. Next, set exceptions, allow calls from favorites, enable repeated call bypasses for emergencies, and always permit alarms. Finally, review app-specific options and block only the noisy apps while allowing time-sensitive alerts. These choices balance. You finish by syncing the new Do Not Disturb settings across devices tied to your account so behavior is consistent. Test the setup. Ask someone to call and send a message, then confirm only allowed alerts come through. If something fails, restart the device and recheck exception lists, schedules, and app permissions. Make sure focus profiles aren't overriding DND. If persistent issues remain, reset the specific focus profile and recreate it to remove hidden conflicts before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.